Have you ever wondered why some objects float while others sink? Is floating determined solely by an object's weight? If that were the case, how does a massive ship stay afloat while a small pebble quickly sinks? So, total weight alone does not determine whether an object floats. The key factor is density. Objects that are denser than the fluid they are placed in will sink, while those that are less dense will float. Archimedes' principle states that the buoyant force acting on an object, fully or partially submerged in a fluid, is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Consider a cube with a mass of 800 grams. When the cube is submerged in a fluid, its apparent mass decreases because the fluid exerts an upward force on it. This force, known as the buoyant force, which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. If the object displaces a greater amount of fluid than its own weight, it will float. However, if the weight of the displaced fluid is less than the weight of the object will sink. So, ships float on water because they displace more water than their weight, generating enough buoyant force to stay afloat. In contrast, pebbles displace less water than their weight, resulting in insufficient buoyant force, causing them to sink.